come closer so you can hear me? We're going to make s'mores. S'mores. Does anybody know what a s'more is? Yeah. S'mores. This is a very, very traditional treat that you make with fire in the U.S. And it's kind of like a sandwich, but instead of bread, we use cookies. And then you have chocolate, and then you have a marshmallow, and you make the cookie, and it's delicious. But first you need to toast the marshmallow. So you're all going to get a stick with one marshmallow. The fire is too strong right now. We need it to go lower. But when it's smaller, you'll come and put your marshmallow here so it turns golden. If it catches on fire, blow it out. Sometimes that happens. But you want it to be golden or brown. And then you'll go where we have the cookies, and you'll get 2 cookies with a piece of chocolate. You'll put the marshmallow here, and then close the sandwich. And the hot marshmallow will melt the chocolate. It's riquísimo.
Thank you.
But we need to wait for the fire a little bit. Okay. So you guys can keep talking.
Or do you want to sing?
Yeah.